Let's look at the three different kinds of stress now, and we'll relate them to plate boundaries. So at a convergent plate boundary where you have collision, tectonic collision, there's going to be horizontal compression. This compression is usually like when we looked at the map of the world with all the mountain chains. So it's sometimes these are continent long mountain chains that are going to be forming from that compression. And we're going to be squeezing rocks in the crust. And because of that squeezing, then the crust is going to thicken in different ways. Either it's folding, or in this image here, we have a pop-up structure where we have big faults coming through, and all of this material here is rising up. So thickening the crust and shortening that block. Next is tension. We're at a divergent plate boundary, maybe continental rifting. We are thinning the crust, so the crust is getting thinner as it's extending, as tension or extension is pulling it apart. And then if we have stress that is shear, we're taking a block and deforming that block, moving material side to side. So there's not going to be any thickening or thinning of the crust specifically for just that shear motion. The last one here would be stress that you feel on all sides. The term for that is hydrostatic stress. So here's me scuba diving. I'm under a lot of stress mentally, but physically, and being squeezed from all sides by the water. So that is hydrostatic stress, feeling that push from all sides.